1 month later, I'm finally ready to hopefully repair my KitchenAid. If your Planetary assembly falls out of your KitchenAid, you can fix it. I am here to prove it. So is Ozzy Osbourne. So I ordered these staff ring pliers that I was missing because I had the wrong size, like April 12th. And it took an entire month for me to get them because they were back ordered. I actually had to order these pliers from a bike shop because the hardware stores that were near me, none of them had snap ring pliers that were the appropriate size for the snap ring on the KitchenAid. I also had to order this gasket, see, which was on this piece. I don't know which way it goes, but mine had deteriorated. It was glued on, and it was just a mess. So I had to order a new one. This only cost like $6, but the shipping was like $14. These pliers cost like $45 with tax, but anyways, I'm sure it'll be worth it in the end. I am honestly slightly concerned that it's been an entire month since I dismantled my KitchenAid, and I'm worried that I don't remember how I took it apart. You need to know how you took it apart in order to reassemble it properly. Maybe it'll be fine. We'll see. Okay, so the top, it's the easy part. Oh yeah, there's the snap ring. Oh, this does fit better. Success. I did say I was going to wear gloves last time and this time, and I always forget to put them on, so let's do that. Maybe this is where I need a rubber mallet. Spoken like a true expert. Success. Okay. I mean, I feel like I abused my mixer, but maybe it's fine. So, oh, well, look at that. Can't remember where this piece went. I need to watch my footage. Okay. I think this O-ring belongs underneath, actually. Like so. And then I put this. I put the little pin Yes. These have to be aligned. Oh my gosh. Aha. And now this is where I need the snap ring. Okay, we need to re-grease, I think, all these moving parts, including these pieces I've forgotten about from last month. This went here somewhere. This I don't know. Oh my God, where did this go? Wait. I think that went like that. This piece is somewhat of a mystery. Okay, we are so close because I know where most of the parts go. I don't remember what this does though. Oh dear, it's been so long. Okay, I need to rewatch my video of me dismantling it a month ago to know where this part came from. And then I need to re-grease everything, replace the gasket, and put it all back together. Hold on. Okay, I watched my footage and this piece goes in here. Right there. Taking video stuff is very helpful when you don't know what you're doing. And there's a month delay. Okay. So now I have to grease everything. Okay, I'm just wondering if this has sticky. I just have a feeling it was stuck on the sticker. Hopefully there aren't two ways to do this. That'd be really funny. Funny and not funny, actually. I don't know what this little flap is. It's time to grease these things. So interesting. The grease is actually translucent, maybe a little opaque. It's not at all black like it was in my machine. I'm using a food grade grease, which means you can eat it, technically. I mean, I wouldn't eat it, but it's not going to hurt you if your food is contaminated with it. Because as I saw, sometimes the mixer does leak a little grease. And I guess because the grease breaks down and it becomes like a liquid, and it doesn't adhere as well anymore, and then it drips. I only experienced that when my mixer broke, like the pieces came apart, but I can see from opening it up that there was a lot of liquid. I don't know if I'm supposed to apply it with my fingers, but that's what we're doing. I'm using my spatula too because I probably should have applied this grease before reassembling the parts, which I did not do. So hopefully this will do the trick. I know you're not supposed to put in excess, so I'm going to try not to. But obviously you need enough that you don't have friction between the two metal parts that are turning against each other. need to grease it first. There's also pet hairs everywhere now. I just wonder if that's a problem. But anyway. It's slippery now. Now there's this thing that probably has to be greased too. Okay, now I just need to put all the screws back in the right places. When I used to clean a vacuum pump in the lab, they always told me I had to tighten the screws diagonally across from each other, as opposed to going around clockwise or counterclockwise to make a more even seal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 screws and what looks to be 4 holes. And then the one in the back, that's 5. So there's 2 screws that I have not done. Oh, there they are. Because I naively thought I was going to remove the motor, but then I realized that was a bad idea. So I did not proceed further because I knew. Okay, so now I have 4 plus the one at the back, 4 plus the one at the back. I'm almost feeling a little cocky right now. Yes, these screws were hidden under the band, which I cleaned, so I have to screw them first, then put the band over top and fix it at the back with that last screw. Fits like a glove. And that is the last screw. No extra pieces. So pleased. Okay, the moment of truth. Did it. Oh, I'm so pleased with myself. I might actually unplug it and open it up again to see what's happened with the grease that I distributed to make sure that I put enough, because I think that's important. Let's test it again with the paddle. I did it. And I did it all by myself when KitchenAid told me to buy a new mixer. Okay, so my conclusion from today is you can absolutely replace your Planetary assembly piece if it falls out. You do need to buy the part from Whirlpool, who owns KitchenAid. But it is doable. So this took a lot of time for me to do because the part was back ordered. I had to order the gasket, which I didn't realize I needed a gasket. Then there was these pliers, which I needed to remove only one piece. The total cost was probably 150 Canadian dollars plus my time, obviously. Oh, there was the grease. I bought grease. So I'll leave a set of links below the video in the description to the parts. If you need to order the parts, if you have a KitchenAid 600 Professional, 6 quart, the old models that are from the early 2000s, I'll leave a list of everything I needed to take apart, fix, and reassemble. In case you need to fix your mixer and you're wondering what snap ring pliers to get, because that was written nowhere. I couldn't find that info anywhere. Those pliers, like I got them at a bike shop and I had to take the part into the bike shop and have them use their pliers to find the right tool for me. Clearly, this was a fixable problem. When I contacted customer service, they told me I just had to replace the mixer. And that's not quite true. Now, obviously not everybody is comfortable opening up a stand mixer, but now I figured out which parts needed to be opened and which parts I could just leave in place. And I also learned what was going on inside and how to clean the grease and replace the grease. So that's good, I think. This was very satisfying, at least. If you enjoyed this video, sorry, it's probably quite boring. I don't know, I found it interesting to do, but I don't know if you enjoyed watching it. You can let me know in the comments. You can like it or leave a comment. I mean, clearly there won't be another video like this unless my mixer breaks again or I break the new mixer. I mean, anything is possible really, but hopefully I'm done fixing KitchenAid mixers for a while, or maybe this is a new business for me.